The much-awaited Madras Cafe starring John Abraham and Nargis Fakhri is out. So will director Sujit Sarkar and producer John Abraham's political spy thriller, which is a drastic departure from their previous offering, Vicky Donor, make a mark? Let's find out. Madras Cafe is an important chapter in Indian history set against the backdrop of the Sri Lankan crisis. Based on true incidents, Madras Cafe, a work of fiction, recounts the story of Major Vikram, an accomplished paramilitary officer who is recruited to RAW with the mandate to execute certain covert intelligence operations with the sole mission to ensure the success of the Indo-Lankan peace accord in the face of a civil war. Amidst chaos, violence, bureaucratic exchanges and secret missions, Vikram gets entangled in the political turmoil and has to tackle an assassination plot with only Nargis Fakhri's foreign journalist Jaya being the level-headed voice through it all. But the question is, can Vikram handle it? In a game without rules, can our intelligence officer keep his sanity alive and the truth intact till the end? What happens to Jaya? What happens to his wife? And what happens to Vikram? All form the crux of Madras Cafe. John Abraham has presented a story the audiences must know. The espionage drama is set against the backdrop of the Sri Lankan civil war in the 80s and 90s. Few films, if at all, have been made on the topic. That alone makes it worth a dekho. The first hour is beautifully shot by Kamaljeet Negi and world class. Madras Cafe opens with montages one could just as well see on the evening news, except that these are not censored. Madras Cafe takes you to the heart of the conflict in the never-before-seen underbelly, which you see through the eyes of the protagonist. The second half is fast-paced, strong and gripping. Outstandingly intelligently made, Madras Cafe transports you to the Civil War. Sujit Sarkar has handled the complex yet sensitive subject with elan. Madras Cafe is concisely and craftily edited by Chandrasekhar Prajapati. Background score by Shantanu Moitra fits the bill perfectly. Mola Ray is haunting. Action by Manohar Verma is realistic. No people flying off buildings or over-the-top stunts. Actor-producer John Abraham has definitely come a long way from being the sexy hunk in yellow trunks to the lean intelligence officer in Madras Cafe. John seems to have seamlessly made the transition. This will definitely go down as one of his best roles yet. Nargis Fakhri as the tough war correspondent bounces back as Jaya. Rashi Khanna, Siddharth Basu, Piyush Pandey, Prakash Belavari, Ajay Ratnam, Sanjay Gurbaksani, Kanan Aruna Chellam and Agnello Dias make their presence felt. Please don't go to watch Madras Cafe if you are expecting an Ek Tha Tiger. Madras Cafe is not your regular spice pot boiler. It is gritty, tense and buried in realism. This is intellectual cinema for those who want to see Indian cinema on a whole new intellectual level. जो हम देखते हैं, सुनते हैं, सच सिर्फ उतना नहीं होता. Nothing is what it seems. So get on the train, baby, and intercept the truth in a cinema hall near you. You won't be disappointed with the 3.5-star Madras Cafe. With cameraman Shadab Zaidi, this is Swaran Chaudhary for Films of India. Do stay logged on for all things bold, beautiful and Bollywood.